नमस्ते। 1 BHK फ्लैट रेंट के लिए है। ये इसका मेन हॉल है। इस तरफ का व्यू मेन हॉल का, मेन डोर विथ इंटरकॉम। फ्रंट हॉल में टीवी का स्टैंड वगैरह है। टॉयलेट इंडियन टाइप। बेडरूम, window and bedroom, main bedroom. It's a spacious bedroom. The wash basin. There comes the kitchen. Twenty-four hours water supply. This is the kitchen window view. This bathroom is fitted with geyser for continuous hot water with shower. This is the bedroom, main hall. This is the wardrobe. It's a wardrobe with mirror, sliding wardrobe, approximately 5 by 6 size. It's very spacious. This is the view. This is a bedroom view, bedroom window view. Intercom. This is the main hall. Again back to main hall. This is a passage view. In this is the passage. Here top side there is a water tank, 500 liters for emergency water. Actually water is there 24 hours, but no issue of water. Our painting is perfectly done. Kitchen platform. There is a utensil rack provided. One can use that to keep all the utensils. Kitchen is spacious. There is a top portion to keep things. These are tiles perfectly.